Under subscription means receiving less application than required share. What do you mean by forfeiture and reissue of share? Cancellation of share for the non-payment of bank account debtor to share application account. Who will issue the application? Company. 1 rupee on final call. What's the entry? Share final call account debtor to share capital. Hello, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, Senior Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, Mysore. So in the previous class, we dealt with what you mean by a share, equity share and the preference share. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder, preference shareholders are temporary shareholder. Equity share can be transferred, preference share cannot be transferred now. Now, we are going to pass now. Next we go to the oversubscription and undersubscription. Oversubscription and undersubscription. What do you mean by oversubscription? Oversubscription means receiving more application than required share. We mean to say that we have issued about 10,000 share. We received 16,000 application. That is called oversubscription. I will repeat. The company issued 10,000 share, but the public applied 16,000 share. How many application more? 6,000 application more. That is called oversubscription. Regarding this undersubscription means receiving less application than required share. If we apply about 10,000 share, public apply only 9,000 share, then it is called undersubscription. So the two words are oversubscription and undersubscription. Receiving more application is called oversubscription. Receiving less application is called undersubscription. I think you understand. Shall I repeat? So there are two types of share. One is equity share and the preference share. Equity shareholders are temporary shareholder, whereas preference shareholders are permanent shareholder. We are doing on the equity share, oversubscription and undersubscription. Receiving more application is called oversubscription. Receiving less application is called undersubscription. Now, forfeiture and reissue of share. What do you mean by forfeiture and reissue of share? Cancellation of share for the non-payment of allotment, first call and final call. How the company is going to collect the share? If the share value is rupees 10, they won't collect the 10 rupees immediately. First, they have to pay on application, then they have to pay on allotment, they have to pay on the first call, they have to pay on the final call. Then only they will be considered as a shareholder. How the installment will go? First, he has to pay on application. Then he has to pay on allotment. Then he has to pay on the first call. Then he has to pay on the final call. By chance, a shareholder who applied 1,000 share paid allotment money, application money, first call money, and by chance, if he could not pay the final call money, the company has got a power to issue the notice. They will issue the notice for 7 days. If the answer does not come, another notice will be issued to a particular shareholder to pay them. Another 15 days notice will be given. If the shareholder does not turn up for the task, so the company has got a power to cancel the share. That cancellation is called forfeiture. So what is forfeiture? Forfeiture means cancellation of the share for the non-payment of either allotment, first call and final call. So first you have to pay for application, then they have to pay for allotment, then they have to pay the first call, then they have to pay the final call. By chance, a shareholder who holds 1,000 share paid application money, allotment money. He fails to pay the first call. A chance is given in the final call so that he can pay the first call and the final call. If he fails to pay the money, the company has got a power to cancel the share. That cancellation is called forfeiture. Whatever the shares were forfeited, that can be issued to another person, another shareholder. Forfeiture share, it is a gain to a company. It can be reissued to another person. It can be reissued to another person. So what is forfeiture? Cancellation of a share for the non-payment of either allotment, first call or final call that can be reissued. Take down this cancellation of a share for the non-payment of allotment, first call and final call is called for a future share. It is a gain to a company because now he has not become the shareholder till we got the money. Then it can be reissued to another person. The same share can be reissued to another person. First, X has been applied, he fails to pay, then it has been issued to Y, he has to pay the money. So once he pay the money, he will become the shareholder. How he has to pay? First on application, next on allotment, next on first call, next on final call, then only he will become the shareholder. Now, how the entry passes, how the entry goes. So the company will issue a prospectus asking the public to become the shareholder. So if he want to become the shareholder, he has to pay the money. Assume that he has to pay the money rupees 10. If you want to pay the money 10, so what the company will do, first you have to pay for application, then you have to pay for allotment, then you have to pay the first call, then you have to pay the final call, then only your name will be registered in the register of the joint stock company, then only you will be declared as a shareholder. So why you collect all this money? To raise the share capital, because now the company issue the prospect to the public to become the shareholder, means to build up the share capital, How you collect? First on application, next on allotment, next on first call, next on final call. How the entry passes through? The journal entry should be like this. First, you have to mention the date, which date it was issued, particular, how you have been collected, ledger folio. Ledger means book, folio means page, which should be debited and which should be credited is a format of the journal entry. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor to share application account. Who will issue the application? Company. So application is going out. What is coming in? Cash is coming in. Even application is considered as a real account. What is a real account says? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is going out? Share application is going out. What is coming in? Cash is coming in, or we say cash account or bank account, we can say. What is the entry? Bank account debtor to share application account. Narration, explanation, being application money received. First entry. Why you collect this application money? To raise the share capital. Transfer the entry. What's the next entry? Share application account debtor to share capital account. Share capital account has been credited, means raised. Share capital has been raised because of the application money. So this is called real entry. What's the entry? Bank account debtor to share application account. Take down this. Bank account debtor to share application account. What is the second entry? Share application account debtor to share capital account. Which account is raised? Share capital account has been raised. Now, we have got next allotment, first call, final call. Due entry, real entry, due entry, real entry, you are going to pass. We are going to collect the allotment money. What is a due entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. What do you mean this? We are asking to become the shareholder to pay the allotment money. So due entry, we ask him now, first we collect the application money, 1 month gap may be given, ask him to pay the allotment money. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. So here we are asking you pay the allotment money for sake of share capital. We'll give a chance. After application, 1 month may be given to pay the allotment money. What's the due entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Now, once you pay the money, if the particular shareholder pay the money, what's the entry? Bank account debtor to share allotment account. Means we have collected allotment amount. What is the first entry? Real entry. Bank account debtor to share application account. Share application account debtor to share capital account. Due entry for allotment. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. When you receive the money, what's the entry? bank account data to share allotment account. Then due entry for first call. Share first call account data to share capital account. Ask him to pay the first call. What's the due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. Ask him to pay first call amount. Now he pays the first call. Bank account data to share first call account. The shareholder pay the first call. Due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. When you pay the money, bank account data to share first call account. Then example, here first call, bank account data to pay first call account. Next, a company should, then we have to collect the final call. What's the entry? Share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share final call account. What are the entries are? First entry, we'll go back the entries. First application, then allotment, then first call and final call. What are the entries are? Bank account data to share application account account data to share capital account. What's the next entry? Due entry, share allotment account data to share capital account, bank account data to share allotment account. Then first call, share first call account data to share capital account. Next, bank account data to share first call. Same thing goes to final call, share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share final call account. So how the entry passes now? First one, real entry, bank account data to share application account. What's the next entry? Share application account data to share capital account transfer entry. What's the entry for allotment? Share allotment account data to share capital account. Due entry, he pays the allotment account, bank account data to share allotment account. Due entry for first call, share first call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share first call account. Same thing goes to final call. So I have not given. Same thing will go to final call. What is that is entry? Share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share final call account. So once you know this entry, how to fill up, we'll go back. Bank account to share allotment, share first call to share. Same thing goes to final call also. First he has to pay, application has already paid, allotment is over, first call is over. Now he has to pay the fine. After 1 month gap will be given, he has to pay the final call. What's the due entry for that? Share final call account data to share capital account. For sake of share capital, he has to pay the final call. Now he pays the final call. Bank account data to share final call means we collected the final call. What's the due entry? Share final call account data to share capital account. He has to pay the final call. Now he pays the final call. Bank account data to share final call. Then we'll go to the example. We'll go with the example. A company issued 10,000 shares of 10 each, payable 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 4 on first call, 1 on final call. All the shares were issued and the money received. Pass the entry, what's called. A simple example I have given. How the company will issue 10,000 share of rupees 10 each, payable 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 4 on first call, 1 on final call. How much? How they have to pay? 10 each. You may ask me a question like this. By chance, if the company issued about 10,000 share, 10 each, can they pay 10 rupees immediately? No. First, they have to pay on application. Then they have to pay on allotment. Then they have to pay on the first call. They have to pay on the final call. The another question is, you have got 10,000 share. Company received 16,000 shares. So how many shares are there? 10,000 shares. How many application received? 16,000. How many application more? 6,000, which is called oversubscription. How to cancel the 6,000 application? Which application should we cancel is a question. So what company will do? All the 16,000 application will put in a box. How many application? All the 16,000 application will be put in a box. Out of that, 6,000 application will be randomly taken out. Pick out from the box and cancel that 6,000. How much remaining? 10,000 they are going to accept. How it will be? How many application received? 16,000. Actually, we require 10,000 application. How many application more? 6,000. How the 6,000 can be cancelled out? What they will know? All the 16,000 application will put in a box. Out of that, how many applications will pick out randomly 6,000 and they will be thrown out that 6,000 application. Their money will be returned. If you are not accepted as shareholder, their money will be returned. So how much accepted? 10,000. So 10,000 share, 10,000. By chance, out of 16,000, only 4,000 have been rejected. So 12,000 has been accepted. So how many shares are there? 10,000 share. Here, 16,000 application. Only they could have been rejected how many application? For 6,000. But they rejected how much? Only 4,000 application. So how much accepted? 12,000. For 10,000 share, they accepted 12,000 application. It is called pro rata, proportionately accepted. What's the procedure? How many shares you have got? 10,000 share. How many application received? 16,000 application. They could have been rejected how many application? 6,000. They rejected how many application? 4,000. Money will be returned to the shareholder. How much accepted? 12,000 application. For how many share? 10,000 share. It is called pro rata. If we cancel the zeros, it is 2 5s are 2 6s are. That means if we apply 6 application, they will issue the 5 share. Minimum 5 shares should be taken out. That means minimum 5 shares should be purchased, bulk. So how many application he has to apply as per the pro rata? 6 application, 5 share they have to do. I think you follow. Shall I repeat once again? How many shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. How many application received? 16,000 application. Out of which how much rejected? 4,000 has been rejected. How many application have been accepted? 12,000 has been accepted. For 10,000 share, 12,000 has been accepted. So if you call us a pro rata, they are in the ratio of 5:6. So for every 5 share, they have to 6 now. Now, an example is we are asking, a company issued how much? 10,000 share, rupees 10 each. Payable, 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 4 on the first call, 1 on the final call. So first they have to pay 2 rupees on application, 3 rupees on allotment, 4 rupees on the first call, 1 rupee on the final call is considered. So we are going to pass the entry. What are the entries I told you? There are common entries. Bank account data to share application to share capital account. What is the next entry? Share allotment account data to share capital account, bank account data to share allotment account. First call, share first call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share first call account. Same thing goes to final call also. We'll go with the entry. So how many shares were issued? 10,000 shares were issued. What's the face value? 10. How much on application? 2. So 10,000 into 2 is 20,000. Bank account data 10,000 into 2, 20,000. To share application account, 20,000. What's the entry? Bank account data are 20,000. To share application account, 20,000. We received how much money? 20,000. Same amount will be transferred to share capital. Share application account data are 20,000. Share application account data are 20,000. To share capital account, 20,000. The amount has been transferred. What is the total number of shares you issued? 10,000 share. How many application fees? 2 rupees. 10,000 into 2 is 20,000. What's the entry? Bank account data to share application account being application money received. This is called narration, which explain the entry. What's the second entry? Share application account data to share capital account transfer entry. That is 2 on application. Then 3 on allotment. On how many share? 10,000 share. 10,000 into 3 is 30,000. What's the entry? Share allotment account data. If you want, 10,000 into 3. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. To share capital account, 30,000. Due entry. He has to pay an allotment money. How much money he has to pay? 30,000. What's the due entry? Share allotment account data to share capital account. That means he has to pay 30,000 on allotment. First, he already paid how much? 20,000, which has been already credited to capital account. What's the due entry for allotment? 30,000. Now, what's the next entry? We are going to receive the 30,000. What's the entry? Bank account data to share allotment account. Bank account data 30,000 to share allotment account 30,000. What's the entry? We receive how much money? 30,000. What's the entry? Bank account data 30,000 to share allotment account 30,000. So due entry now becomes the real entry. Now due entry for the first call. This is a first call. 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 4 on first call. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4 on first call. What's the due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. This is 10,000 into 4. 40,000 to share capital account 40,000. What's the due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. We mean to say that he has to pay 40,000 on the first call due. We ask him to pay how much money? 40,000. Generally, first he has to pay an application. 1 month gap will be given. We ask him to pay the allotment money. Then 1 month is given. We'll ask him to pay the first call 40,000. Now he pays the 40,000. What is coming in? Cash is coming in. What's the entry? Bank account data 40,000 to share first call account 40,000. We receive the 40,000. What's the due entry? First one, share first call account data to share capital account. We receive the money, bank account data to share first call account. This is due entry, this is real entry. Okay, we'll go to next one. Now, share final call. 1 rupee on final call. What's the entry? Share final call account data to share capital. This is 10,000 into 1. 10,000. What's the due entry? Share final call account data to share capital account. When you receive the money, what's the entry? Bank account data 10,000. Share final call account 10,000. What's the due entry? Share final call account data to share capital account. We have to receive 10,000 on the final call. We receive how much money? 10,000. Bank account data to share final call account. I think you know the format. What's the format goes? First one, when you receive the application, bank account data to share application account. What's the second entry? Share application account data to share capital account. What's the due entry for allotment? Share allotment account data to share capital account. When you receive the allotment money, bank account data to share allotment account. Due entry for first call, share first call account data to share capital account. When you receive the first call, what's the entry? Bank account data to share first call account. Regarding the final call, share final call account data to share capital account. Then bank account data to share final call account. We have given the entries and the format has been filled up. I think you have followed this. Now, for example, a company issued 10,000 share of rupees 10 each, payable, application rupees 2. The company received how many application money? 16,000 application. Out of that, 4,000 application has been rejected. Excess adjusted to allotment, they say. So whatever the excess come, that is going to be adjusted to where? Allotment. Now, how many shares have issued? 10,000. How many applications received? 16,000. The entry goes, bank account data 16,000 application into 2. How many applications received? 16,000. Per application, 2 rupees 2. It works out 32,000. 2. share application account. $32,000. So what's the first entry? Bank account debtor, we receive 16,000 into 2, 32,000. To share application account, 32,000. But what's actually we require? Only 10,000 share. How many applications have been rejected? 4,000. What is the entry for that? The second entry goes, we receive how much? 32,000 share application account debtor, share application account debtor, 32,000. How actually required? 10th. To share capital, this is 10,000 into 2, 20,000. Actually received how much? 32,000. We require share capital 20,000. How many applications rejected? 4,000. To bank account, will pay back 4,000 into 2, 8,000. Out of 32,000, how much goes to capital? 20,000. How much money have been paid back? 8,000. How much still left over? 4,000. That is adjusted to allotment, to share allotment. I'll repeat. You receive how much money? 32,000. Bank account debtor to share application, 32,000. Actually, we require 20,000. We require. So, share application account debtor to share capital 20,000. How much you paid back? 8,000. Share allotment, how much left over? 4,000. That is adjusted to allotment. This is a prepaid. While you are paying the allotment money, you have to pay less. How much you have to pay less? 4,000 you have to pay less. So, if you receive excess application, that money will be paid back. Still leftover amount now will be adjusted to allotment account. What's the common entries are? Bank account data to share application account, share application account data to share capital transfer entry. By chance, if the excess application comes and rejected entry, share application account data to share capital to bank account to share allotment account. While he is paying allotment money, he will pay less, that's all. So you have to pass one on application, one on allotment, one on first call, same on final call account. So once you get same amount, that is if we receive about 16,000 application, actually we require 10,000. But how many applications received more? 6,000. That is adjusted to allotment account. If the problem says how much rejected, 4,000 application rejected, money have been paid back. How much still left over? 4,000. That is adjusted to allotment account. If you want, you can take down now. So, bank account data to share application account data to share capital, written 8,000, and to share allotment account. So, you have to pass the entry in examination. No, it will ask for 20 marks. They will ask the question, one, issue of share for future reissue with a balance sheet. Before conclusion, I will let you know that. So there are two types of share. One is called equity share, another is called the preference share. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder, preference shareholders are temporary shareholder. We have to pass the entry. If you have got a money of ₹10, we won't collect the money on 10. First you have to pay an application, then you have to pay an allotment, then you have to pay on the first call, then you have to pay on the final call. Once you receive the money, you will become the shareholder. The entry goes bank account data to share application account data to share capital account. For sake of allotment due entry, share allotment account data to share capital account, bank account data to share allotment account. Due entry for first call, share first call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share. Same thing goes to final call also, share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data auto share final call account. If you receive more application, the excess application to receive the application money, bank account data auto share application account. If you pay back the money, share application account data auto bank account, the excess money will be adjusted to allotment. The entry goes share application account data to share capital to bank account to share allotment account. Allotment money will be adjusted. So we discuss now here one on how application, excess application. In the next class, we'll go with a for feature and reissue. What is a for feature? What's a reissue? How to pass the entry with the problem. We'll discuss this in the next class. I think you have followed. Until, thank you. Meet in the next session about the for feature and reissue with a problem. Okay, we'll meet in the next session.